Yup, this is me. I rappelled down a 80 meters waterfall, and honestly, I thought I was gonna die. But let's rewind a bit. The day started off with nasi kuning. Then I jump on my motorbike and ride straight into the heart of North Minahasa, heading for a place called Tunan Waterfall. Before reaching the waterfall, I had to cross this river. And that's the entrance right there. From there, it was a 20 to 30 minutes walk into the forest. We crossed this small bridge, and the river below is actually the same water that's come from the waterfall we're about to see. A wild waterfall appeared in the distance.
Siap, Tot. Bagaimana? Jadi bagaimana, Tot? Coba jelaskan dulu, Tot.
That is the Tunan Waterfall, everybody. Up close, the waterfall looked massive. Like this could actually kill me, kinda massive. We meet up with the local rappelling crew, Abseiling Sulut. Super chill guys. They give us a full safety briefing, explaining all the gear, how to use it, and most importantly, how not to die. Then they help us gear up, and after that, of course, it started raining. Woohoo! The water turned brown, the rocks got slippery, and I start questioning my life choices at this point. But after waiting over an hour, the rain finally stopped, the crew give us green light, and we start climbing to the top of the waterfall. As you can see, the path was super steep and really slippery from the rain. After around 10 minutes of slipping, sliding and praying, we finally reached the top of the waterfall. Man, the view from up here, unreal, but also terrifying. This is what 80 meters of regrets looks like. While waiting for the crew to set everything up, we just sit there, enjoying the view and pretending we are not absolutely freaking out. Then a quick photo session from Abseiling Sulut documentation team. After that, it was my time to start going down. I'm not gonna lie, I'm so nervous at this point. You can hear me screaming right here. Just to calm down myself. A few meters down, my fear becomes adrenaline, and a feel of excitement starts coming. As you can see, the water was crashing down so hard, it hit me like a shower from the sky. I had to stop a few times to catch my breath while hanging there. Halfway down, we reached another fun part, which is the drone photo session. The Abseiling Sulut team will pull your rope up, and once you are hanging there, you can do any pose you want. After that, they will adjust your rope so you can continue rappelling down. But before that, just a quick little selfie video right here to show you guys how far I have come down from up there. And then I just keep going until I finally touch the ground, or maybe water on the ground. Was I tired? Yes, very tired. Was it terrifying? very terrifying, my friend. But was it worth it? Absolutely worth it, my friend. Absolutely worth it. And just like that, I survived rappelling down one of the tallest waterfall in North Minahasa. Nice.
Gimana Tot? Stop. Yo. Mantap.